Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x20 gooseneck equipment trailer. At the front we have our gooseneck hitch with jack, coupler, and safety chains. There's two heavy-duty 12,000-pound jacks. There are stake pockets and tie-down points along the side of your trailer, as well as pressure-treated wood flooring. We have stone guard fenders, as well as two 7,000-pound axles on 16-inch wheels and tires. This trailer is a dovetail with the King Kong mini ramps. This trailer does have LED brake lights. As well as 6 D-rings. Once again, this is a 7x20 equipment trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.